These are 5 of the best credit cards to earn rewards. And this is my Amex account with over 11 million Amex points. Today I want to show you how you can use the best credit cards to earn rewards and travel for free basically anywhere. And I'm not just going to be showing you these 5 cards, I've got a lot more I'm going to walk you through. So let's dive in and I'm going to show you the best credit cards you can use to earn rewards. So the first card that we have is the Amex Gold card. This card is fantastic because it allows you to earn 4 times points at restaurants, 4 times points at grocery stores, 3 times points on flights booked directly through airlines or Amex Travel, and 2 times points on prepaid hotels, and of course 1 point on everything else. Now you can see this is going to allow you to earn a lot of points because what's some of the biggest things that you spend money on? Probably restaurants and groceries. And so you get to earn 4 times points anytime you dine out, so this makes it a great credit card. But here's the other cool thing, you get a lot of other perks as well. They'll give you $120 of Uber cash every year, an $84 Dunkin' Donuts credit. Shout out to Dunkin' Donuts, I'm originally from Boston, Massachusetts, and it's a hometown coffee there. And then Resi credit at different restaurants and many more perks. Now you'll also, with all of these cards, get an introductory bonus when you first sign up. As you can see here, with this special referral offer, you'll earn 100,000 membership reward points. Now, Amex actually has something where they give an increased referral amount when people use a referral link. I'm gonna post the links down below that'll allow you to get those additional bonus points when you first sign up. I'll put the links to all the cards right down there in the description. And like I said, that will let you get the special referral bonus and also help support our show. Now the next card that we have is the Venture X Rewards card. Now this card allows you to earn unlimited 2 times points. So remember how we showed you how the Amex Gold card earns 1 point on everything other than restaurants, dining, and travel? This is gonna allow you to earn 2 times points on those other types of purchases, which makes it a great catch-all card. As you can see, the Venture X card is gonna allow you to earn 2 times points, unlimited 2 times points on a variety of different purchases. You'll also get 75,000 bonus miles when you sign up, 10,000 miles every year, a $300 travel credit, and they'll give you global entry or TSA PreCheck for free. Now you can see here you'll also earn 10 times miles on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel, 5 times points on flights and vacation rentals booked through their travel portal, and then of course 2 times miles on all the other purchases. That's what makes this card so valuable. Now they also give you access to Capital One lounges, their partner lounge network, and a variety of other perks that make this card very valuable as well. Now the next card I want to show you is the Amex Platinum card. Now this is probably a card you've heard a lot about because it allows you to earn a lot of miles when you're booking flights and hotels through the Amex Travel portal. Now this card has a increased 175,000 membership reward welcome offer when you use the referral link, and you'll also see that it has over $1,500 of annual credits. Now it is a high annual fee card at $695 a year, but you can see you more than double that with all of these credits. They have a $200 hotel credit, a $240 digital entertainment credit, $155 Walmart Plus credit, the Global Lounge Collection, which allows you to stay at the Centurion Lounge, and a variety of other partner lounges at over 1,400 locations. You also earn $200 in Uber cash, a $200 airline fee credit, and you also get $100 of statement credits towards shopping at Saks. Now you'll also get Clear, and there's a variety of other Amex offers and additional global dining access. Now the other thing that makes this so valuable is you get 5 times points on flights booked directly with airlines or through the travel portal, and you also get 5 times points on prepaid hotels booked on AmexTravel.com. Now you earn 1 times points on other things, but of course you don't want to just get 1 point. You want to use something like the Venture X card to earn 2 times points on your other purchases, and then use the Platinum card for flights and hotels and all of these amazing credits that you get. Now the next card that we have is the Chase Sapphire Reserve. This is Chase's answer to Amex's Platinum card. Now this card is really valuable as well because it allows you to get a $300 travel credit, but then 10 times points on hotels booked through Chase Travel. So 5 times points on flights booked through Chase Travel, 3 times points on all other travel, and then unlimited additional 1 times points on other purchases. Now it also will give you that global entry or TSA PreCheck credit, and it will also give you access to some other travel perks as well, which is pretty valuable. You can see here it gets rental car privileges, and you also get Lyft Pink for free. So if you ever are looking for ride sharing, this is really valuable because it saves 15% whenever you're booking with Lyft. Now, the alternative card to that is the Chase Sapphire Preferred. This is like their answer to the Gold card. Now, this is going to allow you to get 3 times points on dining, 2 times points on travel, and earn 60,000 bonus points when you first sign up using that link down below. Now, this is a great all-around card because you can earn extra points on dining and extra points on travel, and they have some other additional perks as well that you also get when you sign up for the card. Now, if you're looking for more of a cashback card, then Chase also has a variety of additional cashback cards, like the Chase Freedom Unlimited that allows you to earn a $250 bonus when you sign up and unlimited 1.5% cash back. Now, this also has no annual fee. So if you're looking for a card that doesn't have an annual fee that you're going to be able to still earn rewards on, this can be a great option for you. There's also some other cards that they have here as well, like the Flex card, which has changing category bonuses, the Rise card, which is going to allow you to get an increased approval stats even if you don't have the best credit. And then they also have their Edge card, which again allows you to save on 0% APR. So there's a few different options depending on what's the best fit for you. I'd recommend the Chase Freedom Unlimited for 1.5% cash back on everything and a no annual fee card if you're looking to not have an annual fee. Now, speaking of cash back, I also want to show you Rakuten. This allows you to earn cash back whenever you shop online. And I'd be remiss if I didn't mention how valuable this was. So let's say you wanted to use the Amex Platinum card's Saks credit. You see that it allows you to have a $100 a year Saks credit right here. And so if we go over to Rakuten and we search for Saks, you can see that we actually get 2% cash back at Saks. All we got to do is go here, click Shop Now, and you'll automatically get 2% cash back. But it gets even better if you use other websites. You just shop as normal, you get 2% of whatever you buy back, and it stacks with your card. But if you shop at other sites like Macy's, then you can actually get up to 12% cash back. Look at this, 12% cash back. Just click Shop Now. It'll open up Macy's in a new tab, and then you can start shopping on Macy's and automatically get 12% of whatever you buy back. It is that simple and easy, and there are thousands of websites that use Rakuten, most of the sites that you're already shopping at anyways. All you gotta do is start your shopping with Rakuten to earn the cash back, and you can also earn $40 for free when you redeem your first cashback deal using the link down below. So when you click that link, you can sign up for Rakuten, earn cash back, and get an additional $40. This is great because it stacks with your credit cards. You'll still get the credit card reward points, and you'll also get cash back through Rakuten. Now, the next card that I have are the Marriott personal credit cards. Now, this depends on the hotel chain or the airline that you like to stay at. I love to stay at Marriott, and that's why I have my Marriott personal card. I also have a Marriott business card for when I'm booking business travel as well. Now, with these cards, you can see there's actually a couple different options. There's the Marriott Bonvoy Bevy that allows you to earn 6 times points at hotels, 4 times points at restaurants, and 2 times points on other purchases. And it also gives you 85,000 bonus Marriott points. Now, in addition to that, they also have some other perks in here as well, like Marriott Bonvoy Gold status and a free annual night. That means you get a night at a Marriott property every single year. Now, they also have the Marriott Bonvoy Brilliant card, which is a little bit of a higher annual fee at $650, but it gives you some extra perks. It gives you a $300 dining credit, and it also gives you even more status and additional perks whenever you are staying at Marriott. Now, the next card is the Hilton cards. Now, there's a variety of different Hilton cards. The one that I have is this one, the Hilton Honors Aspire card. It allows me to earn additional points at Hilton, so 14 times Hilton points at Hilton purchases, 7 points on restaurants and select travel purchases, 3 times points on everything else. Now, Hilton points are worth a little less than other points. That's why they're giving some more here. But you also get complimentary diamond status, which is Hilton's highest level of status, for free when you use this card. And you're also gonna get a $400 Hilton Resort credit, so $200 twice a year, and a lot of other additional perks in here as well, making this a really valuable card to have. Now, there's also a couple of other Hilton cards, like the Surpass card, and you can see that these just give you a different degree of points, 12 times points and 6 times. Then down here, you even have a no annual fee card, the Hilton Honors card, which is gonna allow you to earn 100,000 points when you sign up, 7 times bonus points through purchase on Hilton, 5 times at restaurants, and then silver status. And that's a no annual fee card. And finally, we also have the IHG credit cards as well that allows you to earn additional free nights when you sign up And you can also get all of these multipliers, up to 26 times points, 10 times with using the card, and then additional points when you have your IHG account. And it'll even give you automatic Platinum Elite status, which is one of their highest tiers of status right here at IHG. Now, there's also some great cards as well for different airlines, like the Delta card that I'm gonna put down there below. I mostly book airlines and flights using my business card, so I'm usually traveling for business. However, I can also book flights on the Amex Platinum card and earn 5 times points. So typically I'll book flights using the Amex Platinum card, but the hotels have a lot of perks when you use these different hotel cards. That's why I have them. So these are the best cards that you can use to earn reward points and travel for free. I'll have all of the links to the cards I mentioned in this video in the description down below. And remember, those links have the special referral bonus when you sign up using those links, and it also helps to support the channel. And I will see you in the next video.